If you have been wondering how can you change your birthday on TikTok, so maybe you have entered the wrong birthday while creating your TikTok account, you are in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you what can you do to change your birthday on TikTok. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. Go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure to update TikTok to the latest version available for this video to work properly. After updating it, go ahead and open TikTok and make sure you are logged in. Go to your profile by typing right here in the bottom right corner. And here you might think that to change your birthday, you can go to Edit Profile and edit your birthday from there. But that is not available in this screen, unfortunately, of course. Now you can try going to the three dots in the top right corner, then go into settings and privacy right here. You can open the account settings right there, and then from here there is no option to change it as well. Go to account information. Again, no way to change it. So now it is safe to say that there is no direct way to change your birthday on TikTok, but there is an indirect one that I'm going to show you right here. So go scroll down and tap on report a problem right there. After that, wait for this screen to load up. It might take some seconds to load up. Once it does, you need to scroll down a little bit or just tap on account and profile right there. Again, wait for this screen to load up. Once it does, tap on editing profile right here. It will expand this list. Scroll down and at the bottom of the list, tap on other right here. So once you tap on other, it will take you to this page again. Just wait for it to load up. Be patient, as you know. Then tap on need more help at the very bottom. Again, in here you need to explain your problem for the TikTok's support team. So you can describe the problem or just copy my message right here if you don't know what to write. You can offer to provide an ID card if you are willing to do so. After that, they will reply to you with a solution within 24 or 48 hours. And that is it for this video, guys. Please leave your concerns for me in the comments. I'll check them out. And don't forget to like and comment down below. Also, that helps the channel a lot. Also, subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.